to the Dooley 101 show. Today, I got McDonald's, and you are Today, we will be talking about why men and women like to cheat on each other. Okay? We will be talking about how the word of the day we will be talking about why men and women cheat on each other. This is a good sandwich. How many next flip? Okay, this is Dooley. Back real quick, got the V-neck on. Yeah, do a dance with me. Do the Dooley, do the Dooley. This is Dooley, this is the Dooley. Alright, anyway, this is the premise for today's episode. Why do men and women cheat? Stop. Think about it. I don't know. No, I do know, and I'll tell you guys. Right after I tell you guys what the word of the week is. Now, last week, the word of the week was thunk. T-H-U-N-K, thunk. Alright, now, that word is a real word. Like, it's in a dictionary, and I didn't know that. So, that's why I got this new idea. Words that are cool to me, whether it's a real word or not, made up, whatever, it's going to be on the show. So, I just had a couple conversations with some of my friends, and I want the word of the week this week to be midget. Midget. Now, I'm not coming at small people or little people, you know, because I'm pretty sure I do have at least one or two little people fans, and that's fine. I love you guys to death. So, this is how we're going to use the word midget. You get mad at your friend, and your friend throws something at your head. You're like, yo, man, you midget? That's it. Just simple. Word of the week. And then, yeah, that's it. And then, you know, that's midget. Good? No? Yes? Let me know. Midget. But, here we go. Hey, I'm back. Now, oh, there you go. This is my basement. I built this myself. You know, big screen TV, monitors, whatever. Anyway, now, we had the word of the week, and we have to talk about why do people cheat. After this commercial break, you guys thought I was just gonna let you guys go ahead easy? No, but this commercial, you know what I really want you guys to do? Dooley 101 fans, serious fans, I want you guys to, hey, look at my chin here. That is a serious problem. Like, I'm gonna go to the doctors about that. You guys see that? Anyway, what was I thinking about? I need ideas for commercials. Like, this commercial you guys are about to see, it's okay, and I'll tell you straight up, because it was really quick, it's about oodles and noodles. The black snack. That's not, oh, text message. Oh, and to everyone that, you know, new phone, Samsung impression. Go get it. Anyway, alright. Give me some ideas for some commercials, and I'll be back with, after this commercial, and after this commercial, we're gonna go over what it means to... No, after this commercial, we're going to go after why people cheat. Why do people cheat? Men and females. So here's one out to the men and the females when I answer this question. I'll be right back.
I'm hungry, man. What we got to eat, man?
I want that.
Get out my face. I'm hungry. Okay, I guess that'll do.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Chevy John don't come for you? Tell me what you wanna do, what you gonna do. Yeah, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do?
Hey, alright, so, here we go. This special one, this one goes out to Devin Dooley. And no, I'm not talking myself. I'm talking about Devin Dooley. She's a female. She's my friend on Facebook. Or if you search her up on Facebook, you'll find her. Alright, it's me and her, but only two ever in the whole world. Anyway, this one is a request by Devin Dooley, from Devin Dooley. And she wanted to know why men cheat. Okay, Devin, here it goes, real simple. Men cheat because we're stupid. That's it. They're stupid. They don't think before they do things. Alright? We're just dumb. We make dumb decisions. Alright? That's it. I mean, I hope you weren't like looking for a better explanation, but that's really it. Like, they just don't think before they do things. Like, men do stupid things like text message people and write people on MySpace and then give their girlfriends their passwords. What? Stupid. Shouldn't be creeping around anyway. Now, let's get to the females. Why do females cheat? Females cheat because all men cheat, they think they can get away with it. Or because they think all men cheat, They think they can get away with it. They think that they're slick with it, if that makes sense to anybody. They think that, oh, I'm smart, and they think they can get away with everything. That's 4 text messages. People are blowing me up. Anyway, they cheat. Like, girls go about it as they're smarter than guys. Girls can have at least 3 or 4 boyfriends. 3 or 4, and not get caught. And that's ridiculously crazy. Like, that's kind of scary. Like, to know that the woman you love could be cheating on you. You know, like, women are smart. Guys are dumb. Let's just keep it real. Like, they don't think. I'm just keeping it real. I hope I don't make nobody mad with this, but it is what it is. People, don't do the things you do. But, yeah, that's it. You know what I'm saying? What else did I do? Should I play another commercial? Here's the thing. The last episode I was supposed to do, the Baltimore edition, I have it filmed, and we were talking about feet. But what I did do was I filmed another commercial. So if you guys want to see another commercial before I end off this show, I'll play it. Right after this.
My brain IBM. So if you see me acting strangely, don't be surprised. I'm just a man who needed someone and someone to hide to keep me alive. Just keep me alive.
Alright, I'm gonna shoot my bouncy ball and talk to you guys like this. Hope you guys like the commercial. And hope you guys tune in to the next episode. I don't know what it's gonna be about it, but I don't know what it's gonna be about yet. But it's gonna be good. Alright? Alright? I wanna give a shout out to anybody I missed. I wanna give a special shout out again to Troy Bolden. Cause I kinda forgot about him. Improvide. Great group. I need to start listening to their music. They didn't give it to me yet. So give me some. Who else? Anybody else I forgot? Alright? Now, I want you guys to hit me up on Xbox Live if you guys have it. I'll put it in my tag. I'll tag it. You can search me for it. Everything. Xbox Live. I'm making a special Dooley 101 email just for you guys. So let's do this.